Lekker bok Vrydag, dit is 6:15 en tyd vir ons oefensessie op die Vrydagoggend saam met Herman de Malne Schroeder en ons, soos jy kan sien, ons rus lekker uit op die bank vanoggend. Goeiemôre Herman, hoe gaan dit?
Môre jou en môre kykers.
Lekker.
Ja,
so wat gaan nou vanoggend hier aan? Dis nou deel 2 of wat?
Kyk eens, ons het die eerste wedstryd ons gehad nou teen Wallis, which we very happy to pull through. So, die wedstryd môre is 'n bietjie vroeër, so ek glo aan koffie is die inding nou vandag. Maar ons moet seker 'n bietjie opwarming doen. Die rede kom ons weer op die kaartjie is want verlede week wat gebeur het was ons het so 'n intro gedoen. En daar was iemand wat op Facebook actually gesit het. Wat op Facebook gesê dat hulle do we always do it on the couch? I'm going to give you something, a section number 2 to be continued. So, ons gaan saam met die Springbokke nou strek. Is jy reg?
Right. Kom ons doen dit.
Staan maar op. Uit julle beddens uit.
Okay.
Ek wil hê naas shoulder width en kom ons beweeg van die een kant na die ander kant. En julle mag maar enige tyd julle musiek aansit.
Ek het eintlik 'n baie interessante ding. Iemand het op Facebook geskryf ook laasweek na ons couch workout en gesê dat jy weet dit het nie so hektiek gelyk nie, maar sy het dit saam met ons gedoen en toe die volgende dag is sy styf. Of later die dag raak sy styf. So dit wys jou hoe effektief hierdie couch workouts van Herman is.
Fantasties. Okay, 5.
Sê
4 3 2 en 1. Kom ons gaan lekker in 'n split squat en net vir my op en af. Op en af. Asai. Kyk eens, ons het nou ons het alles nou mooi vir julle opgestel.
Wie wil nou nie so leef ruimte hê nie?
3 2
Lekker, here's the man, Questa.
Just here in the middle, right.
Come on, brother, just me make space for you.
Squat for me, up and down. Gotta keep your head up, partner. You gotta keep your head up.
He makes a lunge look
coffee. Get the inner warm.
But Herman, can you see the way he does these lunges? He makes it look like a dance move. Check it out. Check it out.
I love that. The reason actually why we're doing this is we usually see the Springboks and everybody warming up, so we want to be part of it.
Yes, and you
I've got a little bit of weight here for you. And even you can grab those for me.
You can grab the two cups.
Wat ons gaan doen is net bietjie so opwarm.
Right.
You know why? You know why we're doing this?
Why we're doing
Because you need to drink coffee.
Oh
to drink the others, you know what I mean? Die proviantes is wat hulle in Afrikaans sê.
Say
3 2 and 1 and relax your shoulders,
Okay. Relax, chill.
and relax. Okay, now shoulders. Why are we doing this? To cheer. Please, can we cheer more this weekend?
Yes.
Up.
Yes, maar hier is alles 'n rapid oefening. Ja, maar nou gee jy dit weg dat daar niks in is nie.
3 2 sorry. 1 ek kan nie meer dit help nie en sit maar.
You just spoiled my whole thing, you know.
What we usually do, you're going to hold the rugby ball for me here. Okay, we need to get up. Okay, so what we did yesterday, you can leave the weights for me. What we did last week rather, is to get up and come down. So let's start with that. You've got the rugby ball and stand up and down. You need to get ready to cheer now.
Okay.
And down. All right. Very important at home. You hold your head up high. You're watching the TV. Are you ready to cheer, partner?
I'm ready to cheer.
Is jy reg?
Ready?
Nice.
In 2 and 1. One more down, and you're gonna cheer and up. That's it.
Are you
Slowly jump. I'm just gonna remove his.
I like the way they're jumping there.
And up. Let's come up.
It's a genuine cheer.
We're gonna make it a little bit more difficult now.
Okay.
Up and let's go down. What we did last week actually. Ek was nogal baie so gewees die hele game deur. Het jy dit ook gevoel?
Yeah, did you watch the game?
We actually were doing the calf raises.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're going to go up en ons gaan 'n sport squat doen. So, dit gaan so like it's going to go like this. You're going to come up and on your toes and back. Up on your toes and back. Hold the ball, partner. It's coming. Down and on your toes. Sien julle nou? Sure. Bring die kyk toe ook in by die huis. And up on your toes. That's it. Up. Are you ready to cheer? In 3.
Okay, they're almost going to go.
2.
Almost going to score. Almost there.
Oh, they got it.
Okay.
Relax.
That's exciting
That was quite hard.
That's exactly what's going to happen tomorrow. Just
So
cheering.
wat ek regtig gevoel het, what I really felt last week, because I was sitting like this, I actually wanted to, no, we're not going to do that today. So grab the weights for me. Grab your weights. And in place of hitting your coffee table, we are going to do some reverse flies.
Okay, let me give you some space
Reverse flies. Reverse flies. So just move up a little bit more.
Let's go.
Coming a little bit more forward. Hands underneath And
there.
up.
Okay, I'll sit sideways. How's that?
Legs. That's it.
Yes.
There we go.
Beautiful.
That's
There
it.
we go.
Reach out.
Save the furniture.
So, not sitting like this and wanting to hit the coffee table. You go like that.
Okay.
And up. 5, 4, 3, 2. Is that a little bit better? So
is.
wat ons nou eintlik doen,
Way better than
ons we're actually releasing endorphins and not aggression. You know what I mean?
No
Okay.
aggression.
So, we got to be very careful because we're going to do dips now. What we did last week is normal dips. We're going to do single leg, up and down.
Okay, let's
up
move
and
our
down.
coffee table there.
Up and down. Let's move the furniture.
Move the furniture because we need that
Okay,
space.
I'm going to hold you. Up and down. One leg up. That's it. Tight. That's a bit of
So, Questa, what's your exercise routine like?
3,
I think I just found a new one.
2,
Nice.
and 1. Ralph my arm, change around. Up and down. That's it. Mooi, mooi,
Nice.
mooi. Okay, because we are playing Fiji, we're getting emotionally involved. You've got 2 more to go. Sit back for me on the couch. We've got to cheer one more time, at least 5 times in a row, 5 tries. We have to beat them. Are you ready?
I am
I'm
ready.
Cheer on your toes. 3, 2, 1.
You are. That's it.
And
Yes.
and back. Last one and cheer. And back and sit
Sure.
back and relax.
Wow.
Beautiful track.
Now we
How
can-
do you feel about that one?
I feel like we really won the game.
You see, we
I
really
feel like
won the
we was
game.
in the stadium.
Lovely. Questa, lekker.
That's what you do. Let's all do it at home.
Yeah?
Never ever again.
You see, this is the way.
Did my
This is
first-
how you keep fit during a rugby match, watching it, you see?
Yes, you can do
Like
this.
this, you can do this. So anyways, guys, thank you so much. It was fantastic.
Great.
Herman, Questa,
great.
lekker. So quickly,
great.
Great meeting you, Pastor.
quickly, guys, quickly. Predictions for tomorrow's game.
No, Fiji.
What?
Losing.
Okay. You almost got me there. All right, guys, there you have it. 6:15, that was your exercise session. Join us again on Monday, 6:15 with Tinus Bierman. But right now, it is a huge sporting weekend, and Andrew Tank Lanning has got all the details.
Stay with Expresso and SABC3.